Hey, I'm Kyle, and welcome to That Guy Outdoors. After separating from the Army in February 2023, I embraced the nomadic lifestyle, living full-time in my Taxa Outdoors Cricket, towed by my trusty Subaru Outback Wilderness. Join me as I explore, seek adventure, and marvel at the wonders of our world. Thanks for being part of the journey. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share the channel with other fellow adventurers. Now, let's dive into this week's episode and continue the exploration together.
Well, good morning, everybody. Catch everybody up. We are in La Paz right now. Kind of went out last night with some folks that have met along the road and met up with Josiah at Mate Pizza, and it was absolutely amazing. A little bit of catching up here. 2 days ago, Dean graduated Air Force Tech School. I watched it on social media. Oh, Tope. Here we go, buddy. Hold on. Anyways, Dean graduated Tech School, Air Force Tech School. I'm extremely proud of him. Currently set up at Maranatha. No, the cricket's not back there. This morning we are headed to Subaru of La Paz. I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna drive. I gotta follow my GPS. We're gonna crank the tunes up. He's gonna enjoy all the smells. Right, buddy? Right? There's the mirrors. And we'll see you guys at the dealership. Cheers.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time.
Well, hey, good morning, everybody. So, I'm gonna get cleaned up. I'm gonna put the bed away, and I'm gonna get ready to cook breakfast. We got a friend out here too, plus Sir's hungry, and I need to make some coffee. So, I'm just gonna get to it, and hope you guys enjoy.
You are who you're supposed to be. You are who you're supposed to be.
Those two are so freaking hilarious.
He's like, I'm pumping. Everybody play with me. Play with me now. Play.
Probably just 2, maybe 3.
Here's 5.
Oh shit.
Sir, you don't want to eat a whole egg. Like, please. Sir, get off me.
Sir, knock it off.
No, this is a snack.
I mean, he eats the shells.
Does he?
Ice color of the ocean. Oh yeah, coming home. Nicole. They forgot how to split the air. Nicole. Continents are coming together. Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh my god, that's a lot of mushroom. Well, okay.
Angels smoking cigarettes on rooftops in fishnets in the morning with the moon still glowing. And here comes Jesus in an Astro van rolling down the strip against the angels on the roof, I know I've made it when well, you don't know much about me. I'll explain it as best I can. I'm afraid of getting rich just to find out it was only fool's gold in my pen. Time is wasting on I don't know anything about it. How I feel, but I don't want to speak too soon. I just pay feel. You got the hands that I wanna hold. You got the room, knowing better for days. Hanging my heart in the dark, yeah. You like the room. You like the room in the house. God damn. How good it is to be young, and how good it is to feel today. To be
Huh?
driving through West Virginia.
Hold on, Hadley.
And I've seldom been thinner.
Wow, look at this.
Sir.
Thank you.
Absolutely. I got it to be able to throw on a freaking taco. Hey, sir, get out of the way.
I don't
Hey,
eat beef normally. That's my fault.
sir. You just said that, and I forgot I got a phone that's been in here recording the whole damn time. Thanks for joining me on That Guy Outdoors. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. If you had a favorite moment, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the links in the description for additional information, resources, and any gear I used in today's episode. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Share this episode with a friend who needs a dose of outdoor inspiration. As always, join me next week as I continue the journey into the great outdoors, exploring new landscapes, meeting incredible people, and uncovering the wonders of nature. Until then, stay curious, stay adventurous, and I'll catch you in the next episode.